My specialty is floppy disks. They hold 1.44 megabytes. That is the 3.5-inch floppy disks. Their predecessor was the 5.25-inch floppy disks. But I'm more into the 3.5-inch because they have kind of that protective shell around them. So it's like they're fragile on the inside with a protective shell. I feel like we can all relate to that.
Keep the floppy disk coming, floppy disks in the chat. In my DMs, you can throw a floppy disk, throw a floppy disk.
Floppy disks are fun. They could call them fun disks, honestly.
Fun disk, I've got 'em. It's a fun disk when we're hanging out. A fun disk, I've got 'em. I've got a floppy disk with your name on it. Thank you for being here. Thank you for being here. Oh yeah, oh yeah, oh yeah, oh yeah.
Well, that's pretty cool, honestly.